So I'm just gonna, this thing's interesting. I'm gonna take it apart, I think. Because like, even with 200% volume, I could look in there. I don't really see the driver flexing. I'm gonna blow this thing eventually, but here. Okay, I'm gonna take the grill off and record that. Okay, so I mean, it's cheap. I'm just gonna stab into it. And boom, it's already coming off. There you go. Okay, so it's like, I'm gonna pick it from down here too, just so I like, you know, it may not actually be able to come out from down there. There is zero flex on that thing. Sorry, I don't have the best lighting. Oh, yeah, there you go. It came off. Don't think that's going back on. Let's see. I left it on. Barely anything. I'm gonna take this apart right after I do a bass test. Like no movement. Okay. I am gonna unscrew it now. See at the desk. Alright, let's go click. I'm too lazy to time lapse this, so I'm just gonna cut till I get all the screws out. 2 screws out. 2 more to go. All 4. Now I do see something. This thing at the bottom. I'm just gonna peel that up. Okay. Let's place that down over there. Now it should come apart. You already know that these buttons about to fly out. Oh, okay. Okay, bet. Yeah, that thing's garbage right there. Battery. Oh wow, nice and loose. That's not even a battery. Is that? Yeah, it is. Might be some of the noise right there. A nice little circuit board. Let's see.
Bluetooth mode.
This board's hot. Oh yeah, that right there. That's fine. Yeah, that's hot. It's saying no, it's garbage. Turn it off. Also, let me turn off my sound system. Okay, so that literally just goes like that. Yeah, I would never plug anything into this.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, the speaker's actually on. It's funny because my phone sounds better than it. It still stays on after you turn it off. For my phone sounds better. But yeah, that's kind of it. How about we get a more powerful amp onto this? So basically, I'm just going to be placing the speaker like this. And I'm putting the wires out the back of it. Definitely didn't just, yeah, okay, it's okay. Okay. Okay, while that dries, I will show you the amp I'll be using. It is wired because I don't have the battery set up yet, but it's a just a tiny amp. You could plug a battery connector into this. There's 2 outputs stereo. I use one. It's 50 watts per channel, 100 watts in total. There you go. 8-pen. It's good. I mean, at full volume it gets a little distorty, but this could definitely blow this, so. Okay, well, it connected. Let's see what it could do. I should definitely turn it down on my phone. Let's see. I don't even need the 200 times app open. There we go. Oh. I don't even think I need to use a See, I don't know how strong it is. It could blow. Oh, I smell it. I do smell it. Okay. Well, that's a long video. See you guys in the next one.